The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is the computer's brain. It is responsible for executing instructions and processing data. The Control Unit directs data flow and manages system activities. The Arithmetic Logic Unit, or ALU, performs all arithmetic and logical operations. Computer memory includes read-only memory, or ROM, which stores permanent instructions and is non-volatile. Random access memory, or RAM, is volatile and used for temporary data storage. Different types of RAM and ROM exist, alongside special-purpose memories like cache and registers. The CPU's functional organization relies on buses. The control bus transmits timing and control signals. The address bus carries addresses for data storage or fetching. The data bus transports actual data between the CPU, memory, and peripherals. Processor clock speed, measured in hertz, indicates the number of cycles a processor completes each second. Higher clock speeds, like those in the Intel Pentium series, mean faster instruction execution and improved performance. For example, 1 GHz is 1 billion cycles per second. Output devices produce softcopy or hardcopy output. Softcopy devices like monitors and speakers produce intangible, temporary output. Hardcopy devices such as printers and plotters create tangible, permanent output, usually on paper. Monitor types include monochrome and color displays. Technologies range from bulky CRT to flat, lightweight LCD. Advanced monitors use technologies like electroluminescent and thin film transistor. Monitor choice depends on portability, power consumption, image quality, and cost. Printers are categorized into impact and non-impact types. Impact printers, like dot matrix, use physical contact and are often noisy but can make multiple copies. Non-impact printers, such as inkjet and laser, are quieter, faster, and produce higher quality output without physical contact. Secondary storage devices provide long-term, non-volatile data retention. They can be fixed, like internal hard disks, or removable, like CDs and floppy disks. These devices preserve data when power is off, and are accessed using read/write heads. Magnetic storage includes floppy disks, zip disks, and magnetic tapes. Optical storage includes CDs and DVDs, offering higher capacity and durability. However, optical media can be fragile, and the required hardware can be costly. The Power Supply Unit, or PSU, converts AC to DC power for computer components. Peripheral interfacing connects devices via ports and cables like parallel, serial, and high-speed USB. Proper interface selection is vital for device compatibility and optimal operation. For safe computer setup, disconnect all devices from power sources. Always work under supervision and wear an anti-static wristband to protect components. Gather essential tools and follow all manufacturer instructions carefully to avoid damage. Installing internal devices involves mounting them in drive bays. Common controllers include EID, SATA, and SCSI. Hard drives use master/slave configurations, while SATA supports hot swapping. Floppy drive installation is similar, with 2 drives possibly sharing 1 cable. To connect external devices, locate the correct port and carefully attach the cable. Power on the computer and check for a successful Power on Self-Test, or POS. Finally, install any necessary drivers and software, ensuring devices are properly connected and recognized. Software is a set of instructions enabling computer operation. It is classified into system software and application software. Acquisition methods include customized in-house development or commercial off-the-shelf options. Licensing types include open source, proprietary, and freeware. System software manages hardware and provides a platform for applications. Examples include operating systems like Windows or Linux. Firmware is permanent software stored on chips. Utility and networking software manage files, optimize performance, and enable communication. Application software performs specific user tasks. Examples include word processors for documents, spreadsheets for calculations, and databases for record-keeping. Other types include CAD, graphics software, and presentation software for technical drawing, image manipulation, and presentations.